Dear students, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression like this: 21 divided by 3 upon 2 times 14. This expression seems very simple, but it tricks almost everyone. 90% of people choose the wrong option. Those people were trying to find shortcuts to solve the math problem. Cut the numbers like this. 2 times 7 is 14 is equal to 21 divided by 3 times 7. They think multiplication has a higher priority than division. So they do the multiplication between 3 and 7 is equal to 21 divided by 21. They do the division between 21 and 21. After division, we get answer 1. 1 is the wrong answer. Now we find the correct answer. It means that we need to perform all the operations step by step in order from top to bottom. Use the rule of multiplication and division hold the same priority level. So, we must start from the left and move towards the right. Perform these operations in order. We use the rule of KCF. K stands for keep the first number as it is, like this here, 21. C stands for change the division sign to multiplication, like this here. F stands for flip the second fraction, like this here, 3 upon 2 to 2 upon 3. Write it like this: 21 times 2 upon 3 times 14. Cut the numbers like this. 3 times 7 is 21. Numerator multiplication. 7 times 2 times 14. Now we do the multiplication between 7 and 2. गुणा करने पर we get answer 14 is equal to 14 times 14. Now we do the multiplication between 14 and 14. 14 and 14 का गुणा करने पर we get answer 196. 196 is the correct answer. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और कमेंट कीजिए. सबस्क्राईब टू माय चॅनल. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. Hit the bell icon.